Welcome everyone. This is Milansoccer1313 bringing you box break number 508. As always, we always show the time here in Toronto, Ontario. We'll hit refresh. It is now 11:20 p.m. my friends. Winnipeg would have sold around 11:07. So we are about 13 minutes after the last team sold and we are ready to go. This ended Tuesday, May the 17th, and it is for one box of Series 1 retail. It happens to be box 12 of 20, all from the same case. And if you open up your description of the team you bought or the teams you bought, you'll see that serial number posted and listed there. And we will be sure to show that serial number before we open up the box. If you haven't already, please subscribe to 1313 Milan Soccer on YouTube. If not, it's okay. I always send the video link via eBay messaging. All right, we're going to go over the rules really quickly, just because there's a bunch of new guys. And let's pick on Doublematic1917 as an example. He's a good guy and he's been with me for a while. He owns the Vegas Golden Knights in this box break. I'm going to open up this box. There's going to be 24 packs. Each pack generally contains one hit. Some packs are dead packs where there isn't a hit, which is expected for retail, but generally 20 to 24 hits are going out. If there are any Vegas Golden Knight cards, I'm going to package them up and I'm going to mail them to Doublematic1978 to a shipping address on file. In the unfortunate event, however, that there are no Vegas Golden Knight inserts, I'm still going to mark it as shipped on eBay. However, nothing physically is going to be mailed to Doublematic, as there was nothing to mail. I know he paid 50 cents shipping and handling, but that is a small collection from everybody for the amount of product, postage, and packaging that needs to go out with Upper Deck Series 1 retail. All right, let me know if you have any questions, and let's get to it. Ambrock has the Wild. BB Hawkeneer has the Oilers, the Canadiens, and the Penguins. Collector's Craze has the Islanders and the Sharks. Doublematic has the Vegas Golden Knights. The Sol has the Hurricanes, the Kings, and the Predators. Devin BMG has the Coyotes, the Flames, the Jackets, and the Leafs. Flame On has the Blackhawks, the Avalanche, and the Rangers. Hamas CD 78 has the Ducks and the Panthers. Hosh has the Blues and the Capitals. JBA has the Stars. Jams has the Red Wings, the Devils, the Flyers, and the Canucks. Pat Burrell has the Sabres and the Senators. P. Connolly has the Bruins. And rounding us out, The Rock has the Lightning and the Jets. Seattle not available until Series 2. 823582 is the serial number we need to remember as I bring you guys over to the webcam. And as always, we're going to show that right off the gate. Whenever it wants to focus in here. 823582. Clear as day, as promised, as advertised, and now being delivered. Good luck, my friends. This is box 12. Retail has been fun. A lot of hits, a lot of good hits. So let's continue that trend. Boxes 13 and 14 go out. Being break tomorrow night, so hopefully we see you on those. Here we go, pack one. Kyle Connor for your Winnipeg Jets, right off the gate. Upper Deck Portraits. There you go. So off and running. A Jeremy Swayman, Boston Bruins Young Guns. Congratulations, Boston. If you pick Boston, that is the card you're looking for, I guess. Nice hit for Boston. We have a Upper Deck Canvas, Patrick Kane for your Chicago Blackhawks. Nice hit for the Blackhawks. We're out of focus here, so we can get. There we go. The checklist canvas of both Matthews and Marner. No need to randomize as they're both on the Toronto Maple Leafs. Nice card for Toronto. I feel bad for these guys. I'm a diehard Leaf fan, but every year I get a little less involved or emotionally attached, as I can't deal with that anymore. A Pius Suter rookie retrospective for your Chicago Blackhawks. Whenever this wants to focus in again. There we go. Nice hit for Chicago. We have a Wade Allison, Philadelphia Flyers, a Young Guns. Congratulations, Philadelphia. A Blue Dazzler of JT Miller for your Vancouver Canucks. Young Guns, Parker Kelly for your Ottawa Senators. Not sure why we're losing focus here. Let's try again. There we go. We have electromagnetic David Perron for your St. Louis Blues. A Orange Dazzler of Spencer Knight. Decent hit. Congratulations, Florida. I like these Orange Dazzlers. Can't remember what they were last year. I think they were green in retail. We have a Andrei Savchekov Honor Roll Superstar for your Carolina Hurricanes. Young Guns for your Ottawa Senators, Shane Pinto. %, Anders Lee for your New York Islanders. Congratulations, New York. A Upper Deck Portraits of Kirill Kaprizov and your Minnesota Wild. Ryan Suter, Minnesota Wild, Upper Deck Canvas. Radim Zorona for your Pittsburgh Penguins, Young Guns. Here is our dead pack, which is expected. The last few boxes have had one pack with no hit, but still very good for retail. Sometimes there's 8 to 10 packs dead, so I think they've changed their hits and added more. Sean Couturier for your Philadelphia Flyers, Upper Deck Canvas. Johnny Gaudreau, Electromagnetic for your Calgary Flames. Just going to hit the cursor here so we don't time out. %, of Blake Wheeler for your Winnipeg Jets. Zach Ashen, Young Guns for your Boston Bruins. Congratulations, Boston. A Mikko Rantanen, Colorado Avalanche, Superstar Honor Roll. Two packs to go. We will show who owns the last hit, and then we will show the time. We have Electromagnetic Nicholas Backstrom for your Washington Capitals. And our final hit belongs to Orange Dazzler for your Winnipeg Jets, Connor Hellebuck. Nice hit for Winnipeg. Let's show who owns Winnipeg and sign off with the time. Let's get you guys back to the main screen here. Let's find Winnipeg. Winnipeg. There we go. The Rock owns that card. Congratulations. And let's sign off on the time. Hit refresh. Now 11:32 p.m., my friends. Thank you for joining. Boxes 13 and 14 go tomorrow night. Hope to see you then. Have a good night.